Hello everybody. So now I'm gonna talk about logging to file. Actually, we can log pretty much everything on the radio, especially the sensors that are coming from the telemetry from the receiver. Uh, if you are using, it doesn't matter if it is about some FrSky sensors like this one that senses the battery voltage and the LiPo battery voltage, and cells and everything, a GPS, a variometer, airspeed, anything, including the sensors that the Yapu telemetry plugin it's collecting from the flight controller. From I think it works only with ArduPilot, but I might be wrong. I don't know if it works with iNav or not. But if you get the data from the iNav, from the iNav sensors, those can also be recorded in an Excel file type. You can open then the Excel file on your computer. So just to show you, all the logs are then recorded and stored here on your SD card. So that's where you can find those logs. The first thing to do, though, if you haven't done it yet, first of all, it's to add some sensors. So I have there a reception plugged in, and we are not going to get many sensors, only battery voltage and RSSI signal. So let's discover them. Discover new. Okay, those are the ones. I don't have more than these, so we can stop. And now for them to and now you can choose. Imagine that we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 sensors coming from the telemetry, and you don't want them all to be recorded on the log file. You can choose one by one which of the sensors will be written on your log file. You just have to go over the sensor that you want to select, long press, edit, and the last option, it's logs. Okay, if you see that the square is selected, so it will log this sensor. If you don't want this log to be recorded, you uncheck this log option. Let's keep it selected because I want to record it. And now we can go back, and here back and back, and there's where we are going to set the log. So we're gonna create a new special function. Click just to select, and like the volume, it will be on. Okay, one click. Let's look for the on. Yeah, almost there. There it is. One click to select, one step forward, and now log. Hello, SD logs. There it is. One click to select, and it is asking for one more line, and this is the time interval that you are going to log. So this is up to you. That depends how big you want the file to be. Maybe if you have a long flight, you want to have a bigger interval to avoid the file to be very big. and otherwise you can choose smaller intervals. Normally I have it at 0.5 seconds, so every half second, let's put it at 1 second. It also depends on how fast your SD card is, because if your SD card is not that fast, it will prevent the log to record all the lines. Imagine that it doesn't accept the log to record every half a second, so it will corrupt. It will not record a good log on your SD card. So, and 1 second, it's a good time interval in my opinion. So it means that every 1 second it will record one new line with all the sensors that we have selected previously. Okay, so 1 second, and that's it. The logs are being recorded, and now we can go back. I have already some logs recorded on my radio in here. As you can see, it's all CSV. These are already the new ones. I actually don't know if we can open them here. No, we cannot. We just can copy, rename and delete them. Alright, and these are all the logs that I've already recorded. Some of them were already deleted to save some space on the SD card. But after the flight, you can plug your radio via USB to your computer and download the logs to your computer and open them on Excel. Well, that's it again. I hope you have learned something useful for your needs. That's all for now. Thank you a lot for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye.